Whiplash after an accident. Whiplash is an injury to the cervical spine or neck that occurs when your muscles and other soft tissues are hyperstretched. Most cases of whiplash occur during a front or rear end automobile collision, but are also seen in other accidents and sport-related injuries, like skiing, snowboarding, playing soccer, or football. The force of being struck on the head can cause your neck muscles, ligaments, and tendons to twist with strong unnatural force. These tissues, which are stretched beyond their natural limits, can become torn and in some cases, permanently damaged. Symptoms of whiplash. Symptoms of whiplash may include one or more of the following: ear ringing, blurry vision or dizziness, general stiffness, headaches, especially behind the eyes, nausea, numbness, or burning, piercing or radiating pain in the neck, jaw, face, shoulders, between the shoulder blades and arms, which is usually a sign of muscle or ligament tearing. Pain in any of the extremities. Sharp pains when moving an extremity such as an arm or finger, which is a possible sign of disc damage. Swallowing difficulty. Low back pain. Our bodies try to immobilize injured areas following a trauma. This usually begins with protective muscle spasm. The spasm is an attempt to prevent further harm by immobilizing damaged joints and muscles. If function is not restored within 4 to 8 weeks, your body will lay down scar tissue at the site of injury, making the return to full function even more difficult. This eventually leads to increased bone growth in the joint, causing joint degeneration. Avoid long-term spinal disorders. If you suspect you have whiplash from a car or from a sports injury, get a chiropractic exam right away to find out what steps can be taken to correct the damage and prevent future problems. Pain intensity doesn't always measure your need for treatment. Injury often occurs long before pain is experienced, and with an automobile injury, pain may not set in until long after you have settled with the insurance companies, leaving you stuck with the costs of treatment. Auto injuries are often even more misleading. Serious injury can occur with little damage to the vehicle. In fact, research shows that increased crushing that is usually seen with higher speed accidents actually absorbs some of the shock of the impact and can lessen injury to the people inside. When crushing does not occur, like in lower speed accidents, nearly all the shock is transferred to the driver and passengers. Non-drug solution for lasting whiplash recovery. ICE. Anti-inflammatory medications such as ibuprofen and naproxen sodium. Painkillers and muscle relaxants can offer short-term relief, but do not address the source of your pain. These methods only mask the symptoms and can sometimes be harmful to your body, especially if it allows the injured person to perform activities that should be avoided until significant healing has occurred. Remember, pain and muscle spasms are both protective responses that attempt to prevent further damage. Chiropractic adjustments return joints to their proper motion and position, allowing your body to regain its lost function. This relieves pain caused by inflammation trapped within the joints and reduces strain on tight, fatigued, and spasming muscles. Chiropractic adjustments are also effective in reducing pressure on pinched nerves and joint irritation often associated with headaches. Dr. Sheely has successfully treated thousands of whiplash patients. Our goal at Sheely Chiropractic Health and Wellness is to return your injured joints, muscles, and nerves to complete, healthy function to reduce increased risk of degeneration and chronic issues. If you have been involved in a car accident or are experiencing symptoms after a sports injury, call us today for a complimentary consultation to find out if your case is one that we think could be helped. Find out if you are experiencing an injury that can cause chronic issues and increase your risk of degeneration. If you're searching for professional assistance and pain relief, Dr. Sheely has been helping patients with pain since 1980. Contact Dr. Sheely and his staff at Sheely Chiropractic Health and Wellness at 513-217-7035.